We believe very strongly, and we have for a long time, that more research needs to be done in this area, and we really should determine what works for what conditions. And there are currently a lot of medicinal marijuana uses that don't have a robust database behind them, and particularly when you're talking about conditions where there might be other therapeutic options, I think it's really important for patients to be able to understand what product, whether it's marijuana or an FDA-approved drug, is going to make the most difference for them and their condition. So I really think more research needs to be done, and I think some of that is underway, but some states are starting to really take up this arena as well, and we're working closely with them. But we need to drive more research to understand this.
So who is doing research now?
Well, some companies are doing research. A number of states are setting up research agendas, and there actually is, and of course the government is supporting some research, and it's a perhaps poorly kept secret, but the government actually runs a marijuana farm in Mississippi, and that it's in an effort to better control the potency of the marijuana for research studies, and so that's a resource for doing some of this research as well. And so I think it's very important, and FDA has a role obviously in helping to approve research studies that are being done, and ultimately to review the outcomes of the research. But I think it's a real gap, and I think it's a problem right now, and I do worry about making sure that individuals who are seeking medical therapy, whether it's marijuana or FDA-approved drugs, that they don't have all the information that they need to make the most informed choices.